Hi, and welcome. Today we're going to take a look at Act 5, Scene 1 in Hamlet. So let's get started. In this scene, two gravediggers are preparing Ophelia's grave. As they pass the time joking about their work, Hamlet and Horatio approach and join in their conversation. Hamlet comes upon the skull of Yorick, a court jester who once entertained him as a child. Then, Ophelia's funeral procession approaches, and Hamlet learns that Ophelia is dead. When Laertes expresses his grief by leaping into Ophelia's grave, Hamlet also leaps in and fights with him. As the scene ends, though, Claudius reminds Laertes of their plan to murder Hamlet. There are a few important aspects here in this scene. One is the gravediggers joking about death. It provides some comic relief to the audience as they're about to conclude the play, but it also prepares them for the final outcome. Furthermore, it serves to punctuate the commonness of death, since the gravediggers are commenting and joking about its permanence. We also see Hamlet's easy familiarity with the gravediggers, just as he was with the actors and no doubt the pirates on his journey to England. In this instance, it's easy to see how Shakespeare builds Hamlet's likable qualities. We're also privy to Hamlet's deep affection here for those that are close to him, especially when he mauls over Yorick's skull. The second important aspect is at Ophelia's graveside. When Ophelia's procession comes in, she is laid to rest. Laertes leaps into her grave out of grief and frustration over the lack of a ceremony due to the very circumstances of her death. And, as if not to be outdone, Hamlet leaps in after him in what seems to be a contest over who loved her more. They fight and are then broken apart. This wild display of emotion here is quite telling. Here we have Hamlet not dealing terribly well with the death of Ophelia, but only a few moments earlier he was quite level-headed about the unearthing of Yorick's skull. These wild swings in temperament seem to point to a madness in Hamlet that has yet to be tamed.